Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Goodiebox. But before we start unboxing, I kindly want to remind y'all to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away that satchel filled with makeup. It's one of my older videos, make sure to check it out. It will say in the description whether it's open or closed. My giveaway is open worldwide, boy, girl, Martian, it doesn't matter. So make sure to tell all of your friends, your family, your goat to subscribe to me. And the sooner I reach 600 subscribers, the sooner I'm going to give away that satchel and a brand new giveaway will start. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, let's get unboxing. Okay, so opening up the brand new Goodiebox, the Happy Moments box. Oh, we got something outside of the little paper right here. And I think I know what this is because we already have the exact same one. And if that's the case, then I'm going to pass this along to one of you guys in a giveaway. This is the LA Splash Cosmetics eyeliner, and it is the Wickedly Divine eyeliner in Rosalind. And I do believe that it is the exact same one that I already own. So if so, y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway. Let me just check out the booklet. It's not in the booklet. Hold on. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, you got, this month you got an extra gift in your box. Oh yeah, and this eyeliner has this beautiful crystal right here. It is a very gorgeous eyeliner and I do use it quite often. So if it's the same color, then make sure, like I said, to check out my giveaways because y'all will be seeing that one in a future giveaway. Okay, so I guess now to the actual box. This is the inside, and I already see something that I could actually use today because it is quite greasy up here. This is my favorite one, the Batiste. As y'all know, Batiste dry shampoo is my favorite brand out there. It just works magic. This is the shampooing sec. Basically, oh, or is that just French? Basically dry shampoo. This is nude and it's very like springtime-ish. It looks very gorge, and it definitely is a full size. I mean, this thing is as big as my head. Now I got a big head. Whoa, my booklet fell, sorry. Okay, let's check out the booklet. Where are you? It's a full size. The Batiste dry shampoo nude is worth €5.59. Okay, moving on to another very big mother load, which is from Nowbay. This is the Brighten Empathy Orange Vitamin C Body Milk. This is what it looks like, and it's very huge, and it definitely is like a new look for Nowbay. I'm not really the biggest fan of Nowbay, I'm just gonna say it. But this is something else. Like usually we receive moisturizers that never really work for my skin from Nowbay, but I'm definitely excited to give this fella a try. So this is the Brighten Orange Vitamin C Body Lotion. It's a full size and the worth is €15. Moving up, next is Shave Save Woman Shaving Gel for all skin types. Removes bacteria and prevents razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and itching. Oh, do I need that? Okay, this is what it looks like, and this is a pretty cool, like, new type of product in here. I really do enjoy it. So this is a full size as well. The Shave Safe Woman Shaving Gel is worth €17.30 for this. Wow, that's a lot of money. I am very excited to give this fella a try in the shower. Okay, we got more. This is from Ciate London. It is Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. Okay, very cute little box, but honestly nobody really cares about the box. So let me just get it out of the box. Oh, this is what it looks like. But you know what? I did get it out of the box. The box was not sealed, by the way. It's a coconut lip oil, but I already have like 3 or 4 lip oils, so maybe, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this fella just yet, but maybe I'm going to do it in a giveaway as well, so keep an eye out for that. It's a full size. The Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil is worth €15.50. Moving on to The Cure Barrier Booster Vitamin D Barrier Drops. But what is it for? Doesn't really say. I'm gonna assume it's for your face, but I'm not really sure. So that means let me check out my booklet. It is not a full size, absolutely not. It's very small. It is 7 milliliters, so that's very, very small. The store worth for 30 milliliters is a whopping 85 euros, and I received the 7 milliliters. They claim this sucker is worth 33 euros. I'm gonna expect a full-on facelift for that price for this small an amount. This is, let's see, it's a serum. But a serum for what? Is it for your skin? I think it is for your face. I'm like reading, and I have to like translate in my head as well because this is in Dutch. Blah, blah. Yeah, you can use it morning and night after cleansing the face. So it's usable for all skin types. Okay, very highly excited and extremely high expectations for this fella because it's 33 bucks for this small of an amount. Wow, I can't even speak. That's how flabbergasted I am. This stuff better work. Okay, last item in the box is from Nails Inc. Love me a good nail polish from Nails Inc. And the color is amazing. I love it. It's like a watermelon color for the summer. Perfect. So the Nails Inc. is a full size. The Looking Super Juicy nail polish is worth 11 euros. And does it have a name? Oh, the name is Looking Super Juicy. I thought it was the line that was called Looking Super Juicy, but it is the nail polish. I am loving the watermelon, red, pink kind of a color. Absolutely adore it. And that is it, guys. The box is empty. What do you guys think? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items plus an extra. You guys, this here is what I want to see from the goodie box. Like, this is a decent box for the amount of money that we pay, like 7 items. Perfect. Like, this is the future thing that I want to see. However, unfortunately, that eyeliner was an extra item this month. I would like to see them do that just forever. Like, at least, at the very least, 7 to like 9 items. I think that's fair for the price. But I really enjoyed this box. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!